Hi, my friends. Today we meet once again with another story with a moral. The name of the story is Tenali Ram and the Brinjals. Once upon a time, there was a very renowned king called Krishna Deva Raya, and he lived and also he ruled the kingdom of Vijayanagar. He loved his subjects, and he had a courtier, a court jester, whose name was Tenali Ram. And he was full of wit and wisdom. He had lots of presence of mind. Now, the king had his own garden where he grew lovely brinjals, and he never allowed anyone to enter that garden. He himself went and surveyed the brinjals. Every day he used to go into the garden, see all his brinjals, feel happy, and come back to his palace. He didn't even allow his loyal court jester Tenali Ram to enter that garden. Now one day, the king decided to give a feast, and it would be with variety of dishes with the brinjals which he grew in the garden. So he called all his friends and other people, renowned people, to have feast in his palace. Now, Tenali Ram was also invited, and the brinjal dishes were delicious. There was lovely aroma, and each and every delicacy was very, very good, superb. Now, Tenali Ram couldn't hold his excitement. When he went home, he shared it with his wife and said, "Today we had a lovely feast, and the feast was of the variety of brinjals that the king himself grew." Now the wife got very curious. She also wanted to taste the brinjals. So she said, "Why don't you go, my lord, and steal some brinjals and bring it home?" He said, No, I cannot do this. I am a loyal servant of my king. He has so much faith in me. How can I go and just pluck some brinjals and bring it from his garden? He takes so much care of the brinjals." But the wife would not listen. She went on pleading, and finally Tenali Ram went and brought a few brinjals. He stole it. He went early in the morning when no guards were there, and he brought the brinjals home. His wife cooked lovely dishes, but as they were going to eat, suddenly she remembered her son had gone to his friend's house. So she told Tenali Ram, "Why don't we call our son and let him also have the tasty brinjals?" Tenali Ram told her, "Don't do this. He will go and tell his friends that the brinjals were brought from the king's palace." But the wife again didn't listen. So Tenali Ram called his son, and what Tenali Ram had thought, same thing happened. The son ate and then went running to his friend's house and told the secret to his friends. Now it happened that the rumor was there. The news spread far and wide, and the king came to know that it was his faithful, the most faithful court jester, Tenali Ram, who had stolen the brinjals from his palace. He was furious, and he immediately called for Tenali Ram and his son and decided to punish them. But Tenali Ram was full of wit and wisdom. So as the king was asking Tenali Ram why he did this act, when he could have asked the king himself and taken the brinjals, he said, "My lord, yes, it's true my son has eaten the brinjals, but it was in imagination." The king became very confused. He said, "How in imagination? He himself has said to his friends that he had eaten the brinjals, the food that his mother had cooked." He said, "Yes, what you have heard is true, but it was only in imagination. How can you say that?" He said, "See, ask my son. He will say that it rained heavily in the early morning today. Was there any rain today early morning?" The king said, "No." there was no rain. He said, "Ask my son." And the son nodded his head. Yes, there was rain in the early morning. So Tenali Ram said, see his imagination. He is thinking that he got drenched in the rain, and at the same time he also imagined that he ate brinjals. Actually, it was Tenali Ram who had poured a bucket of water on his body when he was sleeping on the terrace. So the boy thought in sleep that rain had come. So now the king couldn't say anything. He was more and more confused, but he was happy that nothing had happened. It was just imagination. So he gifted Tenali Ram with many brinjals and said, now feed your son with tasty dishes and let him also have, not imagine, let him call his friends and have it. I'll be happier. So you see, my friends, we learn that presence of mind and wit and wisdom is necessary in life. But at the same time, we also learn that we shouldn't be disloyal to a person who is having so much faith in him. Now, Tenali Ram was really worshipped and loved by the king, but he told him lies, and he also stole the brinjals, which he shouldn't have done. And due to this mistake, he had to tell so many lies. So, we should always think before we do any such act. Thus you read more stories of Tenali Ram, Birbal and other witty court jesters, and you will learn more and more about different types of teachings. So thank you, my friend. We'll be meeting soon again.